Can you tell me about your Christmas?
Yes. In Christmas, I feel so happy.
Wow. Why did you feel happy?
Christmas is very good.
Very good. Did you go to another place to celebrate Christmas?
Yes, I celebrate my family.
Oh, you celebrate with your family. Okay.
Yes.
So what did you drink or what did you eat for Christmas?
Like cookies,
Okay.
mineral waters.
Mineral waters. Okay. Do you like soda?
No.
Okay.
Mhm.
So after that, did you go another place?
Yes, I play zone.
Oh, you went to play zone. Where is it?
It's so much fun, but make money is
Empty.
gone.
Finished.
Yes,
Oh,
finished, gone.
spend your much money for play. But did you happy? Did you feel happy for?
Yes.
So maybe you can ask your mommy. Yeah, maybe you can collect your
My
money.
favorite is the play in the zone is fishing.
Fishing.
It's so much fun.
Yeah, okay, it is fun for you,
I
right?
never fail.
Oh, and then did you got many cards, small cards like that?
No, that is ticket.
Oh, tickets. Oh, then okay.
And after that, mommy buys some KFC.
Oh, okay, for your lunch or your dinner?
Dinner.
Dinner. Okay. So did you remember how much time did you spend for play in time zone? 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours maybe?
It's 4 hours.
4 hours. So it was so long for you, right?
Yes.
But you felt happy to yes, to celebrate, to spend your Christmas holiday in time zone, right?
Yes.
Okay. Did you go to your uncle's house or
Oh yes, sure.
so what did you do there?
I eat cake. Oh, it's so delicious.
Okay. What kind of cake did you like it?
Oh, that is
Chocolate or
yeah.
vanilla or
Yes, vanilla.
vanilla cake. Okay. So you just drank mineral water?
Yes.
No, drank soda like
Yes,
Fanta or
it's make it sick.
or it can make sick for you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you,
Thank
Kak
you
Karun.
for